Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to remove Facebook cover photo. Friends, you want to remove photo, you don't want to use your Facebook cover photo. So friends, now let's see how to remove Facebook cover photo one by one and step by step we are going to talk about. And before start the video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first of all tap on your Facebook. After turning away Facebook application friends, you can see Facebook application will show this interface. So friends, you want to remove your Facebook cover photo, you don't want to use Facebook cover photo. So first of all tap on your profile, and friends, you don't want to use your Facebook profile photo, you want to remove, you want to delete Facebook profile photo. Tap on your profile photo, see profile picture, three dot, tap here, and you can delete your Facebook profile photo. If you tap here delete option, so friends, you can see delete. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? Tap on delete, your profile photo will delete. So friends, I am not sure, I will cancel it because I want to remove my cover photo. So first of all friends, we will tap on cover photo, view profile cover, and if you click here, so you can change your new photo, you can set your new profile. Also friends, you can set your new cover photo. So friends, first of all click here view profile cover option, tap here three dot and delete photo option. And friends, you want to save your Facebook cover photo to your phone, so you can save to phone. And you want to delete, so friends, tap here delete option. Are you sure you want to delete this photo? Tap here delete option, and your Facebook cover photo will delete. Second cover photo you don't want to show, so you can delete your second cover photo. Third cover photo you don't want to use, so you can delete your all cover photo. And friends, now you can check we don't have cover photo on Facebook. Again tap here cover photo. Friends, you can see cover photo will not show on your Facebook account. Again if you tap here, so you can upload your cover photo and you can set. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.